take that. This goes here, and there's two little slots underneath and rubber pads. Yeah? Come round here so you can see. Come right round and make sure you can see. Yeah? Come round. This is locked on here, so we take it off by unscrewing that, lifting it out and lifting that off. The handle goes up, and then these go into the slot and you open them up. If you want to film it, it's fine, but I usually have 10% of film rights, all right? Make sure it's really tight, because if this comes off, apart from damaging the machine, you might damage yourself. And these are about £500 each, so they're quite a lot of money. Next thing, here, this unclips. This, which is the sinker plate, goes in here. This is called the carriage. This is the sinker plate. If you don't understand something, or you are hard of hearing, or you want me to say it in a different way, you're dyslexic or dyspraxic, just say so. It's no problem. Okay. These are the weights which we will need. This is the tension mast. This unclips and goes in there or there, doesn't matter which. This goes on here, away from you. This, which is the tension mast, goes round like this and clicks. Just take these little bits of fluff off here. I told you it'd be slow. They probably haven't been used for a year. Any rubbish we'll just throw in a bin so that we keep the room nice and clean. I recommend that you don't eat really in here because there'll be a lot of fibre in the air, so you'll be ingesting it with your food. So it might be best just to go outside and eat. Then this has a little hole in it there, which goes onto there. Okay. Then this can be put away. So just stick that over the back somewhere. Yeah, for the moment. Just put it on the floor over the bike. Thanks. Okay. Then we need this, which is a transfer tool. And sorry, this is a transfer tool, and this is a latch tool. Okay, that can go there. Now, can I have a light yarn, the green maybe? Okay. Now, the carriage. This is the stitch size, yeah? The higher the number, the bigger the stitch, yeah? This lever has lots of different functions, but for ordinary knitting, we put it in the middle on naught. these levers are in position 2. If they're in this, something else occurs that I'll teach you next time or show you today. In there. These are the weaving in brushes. When you're not using them, they're out of action because they'll interfere with the yarn. Yeah? All right so far. If you get stuck in the middle of your knitting, you can do that and move that across. If that won't happen, you can take that off and move it across. Yeah? Sort out the problem and then go back. And carry on, hopefully. Right, the yarn goes through here, and there's a little metal piece inside here that the yarn has to go under in order for this spring to work. Yeah, so if your yarn's jumping around all over the place, just check. Yeah? It goes straight through there, through there, through there, and in there, when it's not knitting. Okay? Do you want to do that? So set this up.